Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to change the default port number of Flask application. So let's get started. So I've already written the code for connecting my Flask with MySQL. If you want to watch the entire tutorial on that, click on the card that is appearing on top. So now let's see how we can run this. For running this, it's going to be python space your filename.py, and this starts our Flask application, and by default it is starting at port 5000. So for changing this, first thing is you must have a Flask variable called as app. You must have this particular line and make sure that you are including it inside the main function like this. So here inside app.run, you have to just add the code port equal to your desired port number. And in case if you aren't having debug true, it's fine. You can just have it like this. This is also fine. So once you are done, save it and stop the existing one. Control C to stop it. Click on the terminal and stop it, and again rerun it. So this time here you can see it's running on port 8080. We have successfully changed it, and if I send on the old port number, we will be getting an error. Also change here also. So that's the video, guys. This is how basically we change it. Do check the playlist of my channel. I run a lot of CRUD operations by using Node.js, Spring Boot along with MySQL, MongoDB, PostgreSQL and other AI tools and AI APIs. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.